Hi and welcome to Data Coder. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to sort a SAS dataset. We can sort a SAS dataset by using the sort procedure, and we can apply different options to the sort procedure to customize our output. So let's get started. We can rearrange the values in a SAS dataset by using the sort procedure. By applying the sort procedure, we can sort dataset by single or multiple variables. We can sort either ascending or descending order. We can remove duplicate records from a SAS dataset based on single or multiple variables. We can apply certain filter condition while reading the data. We can select a range of observations. We can either keep or drop or rename variables. We can remove unique records. This is the syntax of the sort procedure. Proc sort data equal to dataset name. In the by statement, we need to mention the variables based on what we need to sort the dataset and run. So let's go to SAS and see one example. In my SAS help library, I have a dataset called class. Here, I want to sort this dataset based on name. So to do that, what I need to write? Proc sort data equal to SAS help dot class by name run. Okay, if I'll do this, my okay, here it's open, so I'll close the data set. So if I'll do this, my input data set will be sorted based on name. So this is the syntax for sort procedure. Now if I'll remove the by statement, then it will give me error in the log. So this is a frequently asked interview question. If you remove the by statement from proc sort, what will happen? It will give me error. Okay. Next, we can apply different options in proc sort to customize our output. So the first option is out equal to. By using out equal to option, we can generate the output in different data sets. So if I write out equal to sort data, then it will by name. So here what we will do, it will sort this input data set based on the name variable, and my sorted data set will store in sort data. So if I don't specify the out equal to data set name, then it's going to override the input data set. So the problem with this is when we work in real time, we don't have always access to the input data set to modify the input data set. Like we don't have write access to the input data set, we'll have only read only access. So we can't modify the input data set. And one more reason is multiple programmers will be using the same input data set, so we should not modify it. We can sort our data set and our output we can generate in a new data set. So this is the use of out equal to data set name. Next is the descending. So in the descending option, we can specify the sorting order. So if we don't specify any option, then SAS is going to sort it in ascending order. That is the default option. So if I want to sort in descending order, so this is my data set here, it's sorted in the ascending order. If I want to sort in descending order, then I need to mention this keyword descending before the variable name. Okay. So now if I'll execute this and I'll go to work library, the sort data is my output of the sort procedure, and the names are sorted in descending order. So we can mention more variable over here. So if I want to sort name in descending order and age in ascending order, then I can put descending name, then ascending age. So ascending is the default, I no need to mention the keyword. So if I'll execute this, so here name has been sorted in descending order and age has been sorted in ascending order. This is the use of applying the order of sorting. Next is no dup key, no dup rec or dup out. We will see one by one. So now my second requirement is I want to remove duplicate based on the variable sex. So if you will see in the variable sex has only two values, either male or female. So I just want to remove duplicate values based on sex. So to do that, I can write no dup key. So by doing that, what will happen? Let's see. We'll go to log. There are 19 observations it read from the input data set, and 17 observations with duplicate values are deleted. Only 2 observations are there in my output data set. So all the unique values are there, female or male. Okay, all other observations are deleted. So we can remove duplicate based on multiple variable. If I want to add another variable as age, then based on these two variable, it's going to delete the duplicate. So based on sex and age, we have 8 observations which are duplicate. Okay. So next is, if I want to store the duplicate records in another data set, then I can give dup out equal to dup data. So this dup out I want to store in another data set named dup data. So now if I'll execute, see, all the duplicate record will be stored in the dup data, and all the unique record will stored in the my output data set. Okay, so now if I want to remove duplicate based on all the variables, then I can either mention all the variables, or I can use underscore all underscore. It will use all the variables in the from the SAS data set. Next is, either I can keep no dup key, or I can give no dup rec. So it's when we use no dup rec, it's not going to check any variable. If my complete record is duplicate, then it's going to remove. Okay, this is the use of no dup key, no dup rec, and dup out. Next is no unique key. No unique key will work in the same way. It's going to remove the unique records. Next option is where option or where statement. So by using the where option or where statement, we are going to filter our output while reading from the input data set. Okay. So here I want to just filter the record where age is greater than 14. So age is greater than 14. We have one record here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I just want to keep these 5 records and sort my data set. So what I can write, where equal to age greater than 14. So if I'll execute this now, in my output data set, I got this 5 observation and it's sorted. Okay. So this is how we can use where as option. We can use where as a statement. So to do that, I need to write where age greater than 14. It will also give me same output. It will give me same output. So this is the use of where equal to option or where as a statement. Next is drop, keep, or rename. So from this data set, if I want to keep only 2 variables, name and sex, then I can keep over here. Keep equal to name sex. So now in my output data set, only 2 variables will be there. So either from this 5 variable, either I can keep these 2 or I can drop these 3. Okay, if I want to drop the other variable, then I can keep drop equal to age, height, and weight. So if I'll execute this, we'll get the same output. Okay, so either we can keep or we can drop. Next is rename. In the rename, we can rename the variable name. So here we have a variable name. I want to rename that to student name. So what I can write, rename equal to, I'll write name equal to student name. So when I execute this program, go to the output data set, the name has been renamed to student name. Okay. This is the use of keep, drop, or rename. Next is selecting a range of observation. To select the range of observation, we need to mention the first ops and last ops or ops. So what I'll mention, so from this data set I want to start from third observation and I want to read till 6. Total this 4 observation I want to select. So to do that, what I need to write, first obs equal to 3, then obs equal to 6. So it will start reading from the third observation till 6th observation it will read. So now if I'll execute this, only 4 observations are there, okay, and it will sort those 4 observations. Here you see only 4 observations it will read and it will sort those 4 observations. So that's all about the sort procedure. In our upcoming videos we are going to use going to see the more use of this sort procedure. And thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos on base and SAS, advanced SAS programming, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get a notification when I upload a new video. Thank you and see you on the next video.